How to enable notifications on Instagram in 2021. Others I'm going to show you guys in this quick video, so let's get started right away. And it works on both Android and iOS, so don't worry about that. So firstly you have to go to your home screen, and then you have to tap long hold the Instagram app icon, and then here you can see the three options in the bottom: share, app info, remove. You have to click on the app info, and then you have to scroll down, and here you can see the permissions tab. So in the notifications you can see you have to click on the notifications. You have to toggle this to enable this, and you have to enable this, and here you can see also enable the swipe icons. You can also enable the floating, you can also allow the sound, you can allow the vibration, you can also allow the Instagram direct messages. Here you can also allow the anything specific messages by stories, anything likes, comments, etc, mentions, followers. So that's it, that how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel, like on this video, and comment below that it works. Have a good day.